Green bus. One, two, three, Vietnamese restaurant.
Could you please give me? But this is like as asking you to give them.
Yeah.
Rice is
That's mine. Oh, so sweet. Thank you, baby. Should be pork, beef, and morning glory. Let's go.
so it's quite a lot.
We really like this. Ooh, pepper.
But the food is not like Korean.
This is also good, right? Dessert. Happy? Let's go. Huh? Yeah, those decorations reminds me of my family on my mother's side. They're gonna take a picture everywhere, you know? Stop. This one.
Before you go,
Welcome to the beach. What do you think? Cambodia here. Look. No, like this is so cute, baby.
It's time to go.
We finished all the fish. 2 fish. Sugar cane. Coconut water. Which was the best? Mine? Oh. Best. The situation I'm gonna record.